In a mystical forest, a wise old owl named Ollie built homes for the woodland creatures. He used fallen leaves, twigs, and stones, teaching them about sustainable architecture. "Nature provides," he hooted. "Use it wisely." One day, a storm threatened their homes. The animals panicked, but Ollie assured them, "Our homes are strong because they respect nature." As the storm passed, the homes stood firm. The twist? A magical seed sprouted from the storm's aftermath, growing into a treehouse for all. "Nature rewards those who care," Ollie smiled. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.